Hi guys, this is Dr. Anna and I'm here to tell you the truth about teeth. In this video today, we're going to talk about whether or not you should brush your teeth before or after breakfast. I get this question a lot with my patients. Actually, not so much a question, it's more I just tell my patients you should brush first thing in the morning and last thing at night. And I ask them, do you brush before or after breakfast? And the most common response I get is I brush after breakfast. And when I ask my patients, well, why do you brush after breakfast? The most common reason that my patients give me is, well, I need to brush all the food off my teeth that's left there. But then my question to them following that is, well, it would then stand to reason, do you always brush your teeth after lunch and dinner and every time you have a snack? And obviously the answer is normally no. So then I can then go on and explain to my patients why in fact they should be brushing before breakfast and not after. I know for some people they're going to be like, oh actually, but if I brush before, I've got the fluoride toothpaste and it spoils my breakfast. But hopefully if you do it first thing in the morning as soon as you wake up, by the time you finish your morning routine and change, then hopefully the taste will have subsided and you can enjoy your orange juice and the rest of your breakfast as normal and not have the taste affect it too much. I'm going to explain to you the 3 main reasons why you should be brushing before breakfast and not after. And the reason is basically that you're not worried about brushing food off your teeth. Food is actually going to get digested by all the enzymes in your saliva already. So don't worry about that. We need to give it at least minimum of half an hour so that all those enzymes work and digest all the food. So every time you eat, wait at least half an hour, preferably an hour, before even brushing your teeth or even just having another snack, number 1. So the main reason why we brush teeth is actually not for the food, it's for the bacteria. So always think whenever you're brushing the teeth that actually what you're aiming and tackling is to remove the bacteria, not the food. So if you wake up in the morning, and we all have bad breath, and the reason for that is because our saliva production reduces. When your saliva production reduces, you lose that safety of the saliva protecting your teeth and the enamel. So we all wake up with bad breath because basically all the bacteria is multiplied and we've got a lot of it. So when you wake up in the morning, just by physically brushing all that off, you're reducing the amount of bacteria that's on your teeth before even having the acid attack of the food. So that's number 1, that's a great thing to do. You reduce the bacteria. Number 2 is you're placing fluoride on the teeth. By placing the fluoride, you're essentially putting a shield and an armor on your teeth and your enamel before, again, the acid attack of food. And number 3 is if you brush after breakfast, then don't forget throughout the day, your teeth are actually going through a process of demineralization and remineralization, which essentially what that means is the teeth go soft and hard because of the acid that the bacteria creates. So as soon as you eat, your teeth are microscopically softened here. I mean, not, massively softened, but microscopically. So if you go and brush your teeth straight afterwards, what you're actually doing is brushing off microscopic small particles of your tooth and your enamel, which we don't want. We want to try and preserve that. And you need half an hour minimum to ideally an hour for that to all remineralize by your saliva and neutralize all the acid to reharden. So that's basically my top tip. So just remember, first thing in the morning, last thing at night, that's when you should be brushing your teeth. Take care, guys.